Wilbur Rose, and you're watching Friday Girl TV. I'm sitting here with Dr. Donica, and I'm so happy to have you here.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Fitness, wellness, health is a major part of Friday Girl TV's agenda, and so I want to jump right in. We're sitting here behind, or in front of, a lovely bed. Let's start with, why is having the right mattress important to your health?
Well, it's one of those things that are so obvious, it's like a duh moment. You spend about a third of your life in bed.
True.
In the mattress.
Yeah.
And sleep is as critically important for health as good diet and good exercise. Women have twice as common sleep disorders and sleep problems as men, in part because they're generally sleeping with men who are either snoring or rolling over.
Right, and when the kids come into the bed, they go to the mother.
Exactly.
Yeah, so.
But a good mattress is something that is so integrally important, not only for giving you a comfortable night's sleep, but for encouraging you to want to get into bed in the first place.
Okay, so now that we know why it's important, how do you go about finding the right mattress for you, and how do you know when you've hit the mattress jackpot?
Well, that is a great question, and I think there are many different factors. First of all, evaluate, do you need a new mattress? Is it time? And for most people, they haven't really thought about this.
Right.
But
and
if
you
you can't remember, it's
you probably
probably
need
time.
a mattress. Yeah.
Number two, you can go to your local mattress store, and the salespeople are very helpful. You can try out the different mattresses. But some basics to keep in mind is, first, of course, your budget.
Okay.
You know, you have to think about what budget are you in. And
right, because it's an investment.
It's
an investment worth making.
Absolutely an investment, not only in your health, but also in your relationship.
Yes.
Because people who are in a long-term relationship, getting a good night's sleep together is extremely important for happiness.
So we're getting mattress and couple tips all in one. I love it.
And mommy tips, and and it's all tied in.
It's all tied
and again,
in.
it's something we take for granted. Of course, the next most important thing in buying a mattress is, what is the comfort level for you and your partner.
Okay.
And that's why this individually pocketed coil spring technology is so important, because each of you can get something that is comfortable for your own individual needs without disrupting the other person.
So you definitely want to kind of shop together when you're looking for the mattress.
Very important. And if you're not in a relationship,
then
you don't need to.
Right.
Then it's
Pick
all about
you
you.
want. Right. It's all about you. Now, for people who may be concerned about the economic part of it, and just like you said, I know there's a wide range of prices.
Yeah.
Can you cheat? Is it worth cheating?
I don't call it cheating. I call that smart shopping.
Can you just get a mattress?
Oh, that's
pad?
cheap.
Yeah.
That's a different story. You know, if you're a college student and you're stuck with the mattress they're providing you, then a mattress topper can be very important and can be a very valuable thing. And certainly there are memory foam pillows that mimic the the foam that you feel here. I know. Don't you want to just have this interview in the bed?
I think I would have suggested that, but that would turn into a whole nother.
Then we have all kinds of other relationship tips.
Yes, but this is wonderful.
It's so comfortable. And there are memory foam toppers that you can also splurge if your child is going off to college, as mine is, because those college mattresses are pretty terrible.
Yeah.
So, you can think about that in those circumstances, but if you're not in that circumstance, then I would recommend really saving up if money is an issue, being a smart shopper, looking for the sales, and figuring out what is the best mattress I can afford.
And this is important for your health and your overall wellness. And we hope that you have learned how to find the best mattress for you, how often you should buy your mattress, and some extra relationships and just lifestyle tips. So I want to thank you so much for being on the show today.
It's my pleasure.
I feel so informed, and I hope you do too. You've been watching Friday Girl TV.